Everyone, welcome back to today's frequently excelled question with Yakir Haven. Today we're going to learn how to calculate a running balance of a list of numbers, a very common problem. Let's do it. We have here a list of names and payments. These could be amounts of anything. These could be expenses even. So let's figure out how to calculate a running balance. First of all, we'll make a new heading. In cell C2, we're going to use the sum function, and we're going to start off with B2. The trick is to do an absolute reference for this first reference, and we're going to go until B2 again with a relative reference or an unlocked reference. When we close that up, we just get 400. But once we drag down and autofill, we can see now it goes from B2 until B3. Here, B2 till B4. So we're stretching out the reference, but we're always holding still the very first one, which is B2. So to go down here, it's B2 till B12. And now we have a running balance. There you go.